Here, here's the main elevator, Wolfchase Galleria. Button seems to be stuck, causing it to be. Let's see if I can go up though. Should be able to still go up though. Yep. Probably don't need to have to press the floor button. It's going to go back down anyway. Let's see what happens. Oh, you can even open the phone box. Let's see if we go down. Yep. You don't even have to press the floor because that button is stuck. It's a big elevator. Here we are, 1. Back up to 2. Capacity of 6,000 pounds. Notice how the fan is slightly goes down. Oh, coming down? Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
Good.
Oh, this button's stuck. Yo, stick out in it. Gotta love MT. Excuse you.
Okay.
Leveled. Alright, you have a nice day, ma'am. Yeah, it's gonna stay here because, oh, okay, now it sticks out. Weird. Anyway, now it's gonna stay shut. Yep, and that'll be it.